Hello everybody, and this week again we got a little decals review. This is by Syhart, is it? Anyway, Syhart decals. Not sure where they're from, but they seem fairly good. It's another one of these aircraft which I've remember seeing in displays in the past. This is from 97-98, which was when I first started, the decade I first started going to air shows myself. Got a nice little Ziploc bag, or self-resealing bag. Now in this one, you've got nice little art, this little full colour decal placement scheme, which is good. And you've got the decals themselves. These are mainly the stencils and the little tiny parts, whereas the actual decals themselves are the white parts for the scheme. So what about the red and the blue then, you might ask yourself? Well, they supply you with a mask set for that. You've got a fully included die cut mask set. Well, if you can see that, all little triangles and all that sort of thing, and consequently a little diagram then to go with it. There's the matching together for showing where the different parts you can use to mask up the paintwork. See, you got little diagrams and put them. This mask there and that mask there, and you know, got little paint call outs there. So it's an interesting way of doing it, because otherwise you'd have loads of big decals put on, wouldn't you? And that might be harder to do. So what I think I'll do a nice white base coat and then mask it off. So that's an interesting way of doing it. But yeah, again, one of the ones that I've seen flying, I've got photographs somewhere of them as well. So that's the diagrams, the decals themselves, which I think I'll be pleased to have a go with that. I might do that sooner than later actually, because it's a model with the extended rear part of the tail where the parachute comes out and other things I expect. So I've bought a model kit, not the A model kit, but Hobby Boss's F-16A model of Fighting Falcon kit. I've got before. This is the second time I've bought one of these, but it does have the right tail. Here's the markings that comes with it. So you got the tiger meat, and you got the Belgian 2003 livery. So in that itself there's two good decals there. I probably showed you this in a different video, I'm sure. Well, not sure, but I suspect. But you do get the right tail on this one. So because a lot of the kits got the F-16 plus tail, I think it is. But that's the right tail for the right version for the decals, you see. So that's really all main reason I bought this, and it's not an expensive kit either, as kits go these days. So that's good, isn't it? I think it's alright. So I'll put that back together, and there we are. That's my shortish little video, only 4 and a bit minutes, of the Syhart decals. It's .fr, so probably French. See, French. Yeah. So Syhart decals from France, and they get mask sets and decals writing decals. Alright, so there we are. Buy it if you want. It's always good to have options, isn't it? Right, now the option is to subscribe if you want, but if you don't, that's alright, and I'll speak to you again, and ta-ta for now. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.